Tom and Jake, inseparable buddies, in the charming town of Evergreen, faced life hand in hand. Their laughter echoed through sunny afternoons, and their bond seemed unbreakable. However, when life threw a curveball at Tom, their friendship faced a test. Hesitant to reveal the depth of her struggle, Tom subtly mentioned a fictional problem to Jake. Expecting comforting words or support, Tom was met with an unexpected, nonchalant response. Confused and hurt, Tom recognized this as a sign of a fake friend. The pain became a guide for Tom. He realized that genuine friends show up not just during the good times but especially during life's storms. This experience became a beacon, helping Tom discern between real and fake friends. True friends, like anchors, provide support in turbulent times. In the end, Tom embraced those who stood by his side through thick and thin, while recognizing the fleeting presence of fake friends. His heart, though once bruised, flourished with the warmth of authentic connections, proving that storms reveal the true colors of friendship.